Just days before a man is set to stand trial for a deadly stabbing in Rittenhouse Square, the DA moves to drop the most serious count.
He's run over victims' families time over time.
It's the latest twist in an emotionally charged case that rocked the community. Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Davis spoke with the victim's mother tonight and has more. Kim?
Jessica, good evening. Sean Skellinger's mother tells me she received a call from the Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner today to inform her that he filed a motion to drop the murder charge against the man accused of stabbing her son. She says, why should the decision be left up to Krasner? Why can't a jury decide? Last summer, two families' lives were forever changed. One family lost their son and another family's son was facing a murder charge. But that may all soon be changing after Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner filed a motion Friday to drop a third-degree murder charge against Michael White, according to the victim's mother.
I said manslaughter's already there. Why wouldn't we allow the jury to decide whether it's third-degree murder or manslaughter?
Linda Skellinger was the mother of Sean Skellinger. Skellinger, a Center City developer, was stabbed to death after an argument broke out between him and White near Rittenhouse Square in July of 2018. According to witnesses, Skellinger got out of his car to alleviate a traffic jam. White was delivering food on a bike, and as he was passing through, the pair got into an argument. Linda tells us Krasner told her he would be adding additional charges.
He would be adding additional charges in lieu of that for tampering with evidence, and where Michael tried to have his phone erased, I think successfully, so they could not get the information off of it that he had on there, as well as him throwing the knife on top of the building.
White claimed self-defense and said Skellinger charged at him. In previous hearings, White's attorney cited a toxicology report that showed Skellinger may have been under the influence. When we reached out to White's family, a spokesperson said he could not comment due to a gag order. Linda is upset about the DA's decision to drop the murder charge.
This isn't just about us and our family anymore. This is about what the heck stopped this man.
We reached out to the DA's office for comment but have not heard back. On Monday, a judge will have to decide whether or not to deny or accept the motion to drop the murder charge before jury selection can begin. We're live outside of the office of the District Attorney of Philadelphia. I'm Kimberly Davis, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Kimberly, thank you.